Hello, I'm Sam, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Wireless Hydronic Balancing Kit, Series 490W. Designed by your HVAC market leader to be the most accurate and easy to operate manometer on the market, the Series 490W can be utilized for applications such as hydronic valve balancing, refrigerant pressure testing, and pressure drop measurements across pumps and chiller systems. HVAC balancing valves control the amount of water flowing into each branch of a hydronic system. To balance a hydronic system, a technician measures the flow through each of the valves to determine adjustments needed in order for the system to meet design specification. After all valves have been adjusted, a complete sweep is conducted of the system to verify that it is within design tolerance. The 490W utilizes wireless transducers to measure the pressure drop across hydronic system valves and communicates data to an Android-based handheld via Bluetooth wireless technology. The handheld's preloaded app includes the market's only flow conversion capability and allows users to read, record, and report data, saving time and eliminating human error. Using the application, users are able to select valves from a predetermined list or manually enter the CV value. Pressure measurements are converted into flow while simultaneously displaying the differential pressure and flow rate of up to 3 valves or up to 6 single pressure measurements. This kit comes standard with all the necessary equipment to balance a hydronic system. Each kit is supplied with a handheld test instrument, 4 pressure transducers, 2 NPT adapters, 2 elbow fittings, and 6 Pete's plug gauge adapters, all in a convenient carrying case. The Wireless Hydronic Balancing Kit offers significant ease of use as there are no hoses to carry, snag-on equipment, or require air bleeding. This convenience allows a single operator to monitor and balance a hydronic system more efficiently, saving both time and money.